Are you ready to ride a brand new roller coaster at LEGOLAND Florida? It is called the Galactic Coaster, and this one is getting us to travel into space and see new aliens, the first ever animatronic, as well as some new themed foods. Let's go ahead inside. We're all the way back where the water park is. And this is showing Spaceport 885. This is the first time. They got like a little alien dude over here. Oh, this is cool. Wow, I've been looking at this show building for so long, and it looks fantastic. Lego Galaxy. This is so cool. Greetings, how are you? Hello, hi, how are you?
How are you doing?
We're great, we're great.
I'm jealous of your Galactic Coaster.
We're ready, we're excited. Yes.
Our side of the galaxy, yeah. That's awesome.
Build some aliens, or you want to take a look around first?
You want to build it?
Go for it.
All right, go for it. Build an alien.
I'm not really great at this, so I'm actually going to learn from you.
I don't know. That's a pretty good alien. This is so cool. Spaceport 885, your launch pad for epic space adventures. Look at that. They've got like this little play area where you can get on top of a little space station. They got this alien. This is so neat. Okay, now they have a new shop over here, the orbital outpost. I assume that's where you're going to be exiting. And there's the entrance to the Galactic Coaster. Hi, how you doing? Can I ask what this alien's name is?
Her name is Alien Dancer.
Alien Dancer. There you go. I like it. I can see the moves. Very fun. There is a whole entire play area here with slide. They also have Lego bricks that kids can put together. They can climb all over all of this stuff. There's the water park. We're right next to that. And then one thing over here that I noticed, you're not going to be able to bring necessarily like big backpacks on, but check this. This is pretty dope. Oh, excuse me there, little space lady. We have a locker system where you get a free 2 hours, which is dope. So I love that. That's really cool. So at least you're not paying for a locker. If you need it for the rest of the day, then that would be a little bit different. But otherwise, you're good. All right, I stand corrected. You actually do need to use the lockers for any bags. Anything that can fit in your old pockets, you're good. Anything that can't, it's got to go in the locker. But luckily, it's a one-time use, but they offer it complimentary for 2 hours. This is so cool. I can't wait to ride. This says start. Does this do anything? Oh, look, it's got like little lights over there. Oh, it's getting ready to blast off.
On LL918, the emergency button is not for selfies. And stop pretending your radio is broken. We can hear you giggling.
Oh, there you go. Very cool. All right, let's get inside this sucker. All right, let's do it. They got this big old Lego brick build of a globe. And then now we're heading into a corridor. Discover the ice planet, M-Tron. So these are a bunch of different ones of the Lego characters that they have. Hi, how are you? Shut up, dude. Check out this audio animatronic. Dude, they have an animatronic.
Keep it moving. Room for adventure.
Oh, he's cool. Look at the interior of the room. It has all these different Lego universe planets, all the different old school. Look at the old 1978 astronaut. There's lots of screens around here. This is going to be actually our ride vehicle that we're going to go in. I love the separators. We use them all the time.
Cadets, look sharp. Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Biff Dipper.
Hey, cadets. The C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separators. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. Coaster cadets are moving a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who has done to find some.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Beta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling you to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Biff?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First, you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speedy too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, 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 before they can separate you too.
Woohoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey teammates, drifting in with a hot tip. We're all doing this mission in Cruiser 4. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together.
Cadets, time is running out! Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready.
Hello, welcome. How many
Hi,
users?
4.
4? Alright, so each crew gets 2 keys. These keys are used to upload your design in our customization bay next door. Once you've completed your design, just scan both of those keys and make sure the design goes to our engineering, okay?
Very cool, thank you. These are like identical to the ones from the power-up bands from Super Nintendo. What I'm gathering is that this is kind of like a mixture of old school test track where we can design our spaceship meets on-ride like video representation of it. Very cool.
Biff Dipper here, Chief Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me? As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to Spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft. To swap, tap another nose. To keep it, do nothing. 1. Good job, cadets. You picked your first bricks. Now pick the wings. Which design will give you the speed?
I want to see it. Do the hamburger bun. I just want to cycle through them all.
Zoom away from the separators so they don't catch up and do what separators. It's time to pick your spacecraft's tail. Tap the screen to try them out. Try different ones. That doesn't have to be right the first time. There's just time for one quick final choice. Pick the spacecraft key on the reader and upload your...
What's interesting about this thing has like a continuous load system. That is really neat. Very, very cool.
Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. Hold it steady. That's a big swarm. Head for the asteroid. They're taking it apart. Change course. Now. Let's get out of here. Whoa. Fly free! Woohoo! Yahoo!
Welcome back! You saved Spaceport!
Now they have little spacecraft key returns. You just throw your band in there, but it's like a little baby Guardians. I gotta admit, that is such a fun experience. Oh look, now they have all the space guys. What's this guy? This guy is so cute. Look at this little alien. His name is Slurple. And then they've got mystery minifigs, and they do your ride photos as well. And then I wonder if they have a plush of that other little pink guy. Oh my gosh, would you find a space kitty?
Jones, this is Jones.
Jones.
He's in the pre-show.
Oh, okay. Very cool. Do they have that pink dude? These are just your normal aliens. That is fun. I absolutely love that attraction. It is a great addition to LEGOLAND Florida. One, it's indoors, so when we have seasonality issues, especially when it comes to weather, you have that. I like the custom ability. You can redo it multiple times with different ones of the spacecraft, and just overall, that attraction is super, super fun and has a really nice storyline. So just thematically on point. When are you getting here to ride Galactic Coaster? Because this is Chef's Kiss. Oh, I almost forgot. Dude, we still have to get food. Let's go get that. They have 2 themed foods for Galactic Coaster. Oh man, I can't believe we forgot to eat. I got to Kickin' Chicken, and we have this Supernova sandwich, which is a crispy chicken breast tossed with purple sweet Thai chili glaze, topped with sesame, carrots, red cabbage slaw, finished with a bold blue roasted garlic mayo, served on a soft brioche bun with ube ranch dusted fries. See the ube dressing, and then, man, this is sauced up really nice. It looks like the blue is like a mayo. We're gonna do this thing. Oh, it's like pressed. Like they actually, the sandwich itself looks like it was like panini pressed almost. Spectacular. I always say this about Kickin' Chicken. They do such a nice chicken sandwich. This has the slaw on it. The Thai chili is spicy at like maybe like a 2 or a 3. It's not over the top. Anybody could handle this, but really, really moist, tender chicken inside. And honestly, it's just so flavorful. Look at that crazy purple seasoning on the ube dusted fry. It's really salty. It was really fun looking. For a themed Galactic Coaster meal, it's out of this world. I'll stop. We gotta go get ice cream next. Our last snack is gonna be over here at the Firehouse Ice Cream. For Galactic Coaster, they have the Cookies and Cosmos Sundae, which is 2 scoops of blue cookies and cream ice cream served with a banana split style in a souvenir cup with fresh bananas, rich chocolate sauce, cookie crumbs, and out of this world sprinkles. This is the cookies and cream. Dude, it looks really, really good. This thing is loaded with whipped cream. Outrageous. The chocolate syrup is straight up like Hershey's. Cookies and cream. You know what's interesting is there is a ton of like texture-wise for this. All the crunchies, like I wouldn't expect there to be this many crunchy bits, but there are. I haven't been eating a lot of sugar lately. I have to stop because this thing this is another banger. Very, very good. Easy because Legoland's basically empty and we got to ride Aqua Races, which we never get to do. So we're gonna go on some more attractions as there's literally no one here, and probably hit Galactic Coaster one more time. So if you wanna catch some more theme park fun, make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to check out this video right here.